Okay, so today I am just going to do a quick demonstration of a simple automated test using Java, Selenium, Maven, Cucumber, and JUnit to validate that Google search is working. For this project, you will need to have Java and Eclipse installed, and you will need to start a new Maven project. Maven will generate a pom.xml file where you will add your dependencies for Selenium, Cucumber, JUnit, and everything else. So as you can see, this is my pom.xml file. Here I'm adding Cucumber, JUnit, and some other dependencies. Selenium is here. Once you are done that, you will need to create a feature file. As you can see, I created mine under src test resources. This is where you will need to write out the test steps in the Cucumber Gherkin language. The feature will be to test Google search functionality. The scenario is to validate Google search is working, and then you have all these steps here. So the browser is open, the user is on the Google search page, and etc. Once you finish that, you need to write the actual code that will perform the steps. So this is the Java file that I created to actually execute all the steps. So here I'm importing all the packages, and then setting the property of where my Chrome driver is, creating a new Chrome driver, etc. And then these are the actual steps. So the user is navigated to the google.com site and then enters text into a search box, hits enter, then is navigated to the search results, and then the driver closes and quits. So lastly, you need to create the file that will run everything in a JUnit test. And this is my test runner Java file. And the way it knows to run these steps is this feature is right here. So you tell it where to run the feature file from. And this is my Google search steps feature. So once you're done everything, you can just save and then right click here and do run as JUnit test. So as you can see, the Google browser is open. It searches for automation, and then it just exits the browser. And over here, you have the scenarios passed and all 5 steps passed. JUnit tells you that it finished after a certain amount of seconds, and there was 1 run, 0 errors. And one thing I forgot to mention is it also creates these 3 files with the test results. So I have it create an XML file, a JSON file, and an HTML report. And you can find these here. So when you refresh this, they're all going to be right here. And you can just view this with just a web browser. As you can see, all the steps were executed and it's green, so it passed. Then you have JSON report here. And you can view all the information here and also a JUnit XML file.